Today I'll be creating a tutorial for allocating Elastic IP and associating it with an EC2 instance. My name is Pilanendlovu. Bear with me with this voice. I wonder how it's going to sound like, but I'll try my best. Here I am here on AWS console, where you can find all the services AWS offers. On the search box, I'll simply search for EC2. It is, I clicked it. Here's the dashboard for EC2 instances and other services. On the left pane, you can see auto scaling groups, load balancing, network and security, Elastic block store, images, and the number of services running or the number of services saved in this region. For this tutorial, I'm using Ireland, which is closest to me. I'll click launch instance. Here I'll be selecting Linux to AMI. For the instance type, I'll leave the default. Instance details, you can create as many instances as you would like, depending on your workload. For this tutorial, I'll be only using one. My networks is already set up, subnets, auto assign enabled. Then at the bottom here, the shutdown behavior, I'll select terminate. Reason being, in case if I stop the instance, it will terminate later. At the bottom, you've got user data, which is optional, but you can run commands here that will create stuff in your server. On the storage, I'll leave it as it is, good enough for this tutorial. Tags. Tags will help other developers to identify which server or which resource is this for and the reason. Well, use EC2 server. My EC2 server. Just EC2 server. I'll be alright. Security groups. Let's see if I've got any good. When was this launched? Today. This 2010, yes. Be selecting my C2 security group. Launch. I've got the key already for Ireland. Select that. While my server is on pending status, I'll be logging on to Putty. I've already downloaded Putty. Go on Putty. Not coming out. Oh, sorry, I went to the website. Okay, I've got my public IP address already. I need to access the PPK file. Log on. Hi, EC2 user. Done now. Anyway, sudo s. There I'm logged on as root user, so I'll be able to send the commands. Before I do anything, update all the softwares system. Might take some time, but eventually to get there. And also we'll be creating an Elastic IP address to associate with this EC2 instance. Now we can install our HTTPD. There we have it, YES. And we need to start the system. CTL start HTTPD system enable HTTP. Let's check the status. System CTL status HTTP. There we have our server. It's up and running. So now what we need to do is to access our folder where we're going to create our HTML page, our test page. So cd www/html, enter. Now we're inside our folder. Now we can create our page, which will be testpage.html. Enter. HTML. Type HTML. Well, what happened here? Let's close that before I forget this. This is my first HTTPD install went with no issues. Time of the truth will come after this. Control X, yes, enter. Now we can attempt to access our page. Here's our test page. Then can also access our test page .html. There you are. Where have you been hiding? This is my first HTTPD install, which went well with no issues. Alright, now let's check. Let's see how to associate the Elastic. Where is it? Should be somewhere here. There you are. Alright, with the Elastic IP address, it's simple. Click allocate. There's nothing to adjust or change. And here's our IP, and it's not associated with anything or any type of anything. But we should use the associate link, which will give us the option to select our running server and associate it with. If we go to our instance now, look at the bottom, on our IP. Now we can see the association to our instance, and here as well, associated instance ID. Now it's all connected. If I refresh this page, with my running server right there, there is our Elastic IP address. I will submit all our settings there. Alright, I believe we've done what we're supposed to do. Our test page is running and the server is running. Thank you for watching. The second video probably will be better than this one. Thank you for your time. Bye.